Hi, my name is Nastya, and I'm a PhD student at the Center of Evolutionary Hologenomics at Love Institute at the University of Copenhagen. So hologenomics is a research perspective, and hologenomics combine different research fields in order to understand interactions between different forms of life and to study multicellular organisms without separating them from microbiome, virome, and the environment. I saw an announcement on LinkedIn about the opening of the new center, which was Center of Evolutionary Hologenomics. I read the description of the center and I could very much relate myself to a research perspective and ideas of the center. And so I wanted to be part of it. And that's why I contacted Professor Tom Gilbert and asked him about opportunities to join the center. He introduced me to a Computational Biodiscovery Group, and I started an internship there. And there I discovered the world of phages, the bacterial viruses, and I was introduced to novel research approaches, and I rediscovered bioinformatics to myself. So right now I'm working on developing a phage therapy to control bacterial disease in Norwegian farm salmon. And the phage therapy is basically using bacterial viruses, which are called phages, to kill the bacteria that cause disease, and it's an alternative to antibiotics. So within our group's research work, we develop bioinformatic tools that speed up the phage research and simplify phage characterization, host prediction, novel phage discovery, and those tools help to understand phage-host interactions. And our bioinformatic and machine learning approaches are quite unique, and that's partly because there is a limited amount of computational approaches within the phage research. And most of bioinformatic research methodology is adapted to eukaryotic organisms and bacteria, when bacteriophages are still quite young area of research with a lot of unknown and undiscovered compared to other fields of biological research. And in addition, we are working on bacteriophage therapy development, and in comparison to other research in the phage therapy development, we are not only fighting phage that targets specific bacteria, we are applying hologenomic view by looking at multicellular host and bacteria and bacterial viruses as the whole system with tight interactions, and we consider all possible factors that may influence the effectiveness of the potential therapy. So my research subject is bacteriophage, and we are looking at bacteriophage as part of salmon's holobiont at the moment, as well as a tool for bacterial disease control. So I was not a particularly brilliant student in bioinformatics related subjects at my studies. And in addition, I was a cancer biology nerd and purely laboratory person. So back in the days, I would never predict myself doing a PhD in bioinformatics and study bacteriophages. But here I am doing my PhD in bioinformatics and studying bacterial viruses, and I actually love it.